how to export Google Photos to OneDrive. Hey guys, today I am going to show you how you can export Google Photos to OneDrive. So let's dive in. So this is the fastest and most effortless way to export all your Google Photos directly to your OneDrive account. This method is super simple, doesn't require any third-party tools, and gets the job done in just a few clicks. So let's dive right in. First, open up your web browser and search for Google Takeout. This is a powerful service by Google that allows you to back up and export almost everything from your Google account, including your photos. From the search results, click on the first link that says Google Takeout Sign In. Make sure you're logged into the Google account that holds your photos and you'll be taken straight to the Takeout dashboard. Once you're there, you'll see a long list of Google services. At the top, click on the Deselect All button to clear everything because we only want to export Google Photos. Scroll down until you find the Google Photos section and tick the checkbox next to it. After selecting it, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and click on the Next Step button. Now, this is the part where we choose where the data should go. You'll see an option to choose the destination of your export. Click on the drop-down menu and select Add to OneDrive. Since we're only exporting once, select the Export Once option. You can also choose your preferred file type and size here, depending on how you want the data to be grouped. Once everything looks good, click on Create Export. At this point, you may be asked to sign in to your OneDrive account to authorize the transfer. So make sure you're already logged in or have your credentials ready. After that, Google will start the process and all your selected photos will begin exporting directly into your OneDrive cloud storage. That's it, and thanks. I'll catch you all in the next video.